Can we please talk about how small Island Grill make them burger nowadays? Like, it's so small. I remember when Island Grill burger used to be massive. Like, it could have hold in one of my hand. Anybody remember that? Like, you remember when Island Grill burger did massive, like, big, jumbo? What happened to the burger? Like, why is it so tiny now? And I really, Island Grill have the best French fries in Jamaica. Toss it with somebody else. Don't toss it with me. One. Two, they had a really, really, really good jerk burger. So since moving back to Jamaica, I've been trying to catch up on all the little food I miss up on. And I used to, one, love Island Grill French fries. Still do. But come on now. Like, we minimize on the burger. Like, recession that bad. Like, I don't know if I feel like a burger. I feel so disappointed. I feel so hurt because why the burger so small? Like why the burger so small? Just give us back the bread. Give us back the meat. Like the meat is so massive. The meat used to be massive. The bread used to be massive. It used to be a nice big juicy burger. This look like on kids meal. This look like a junior at Burger King. And Island Grill burger used to be massive. Like a big whopper. I'm so disappointed. I'm so hurt. I'm so hurt. I'm so disappointed because what is this? Island Grill, I still have it. The French fries are still popping. But what is this?